Hi, Ram. So I need some changes to the flyer that we created. So the cheat sheet. So this one, so just real quick, we're going to be adding more rows of products. So in other words, I'm going to be adding 3 more caps, which we're going to insert right over here and then kind of push everything down. We're going to do the same thing with a line eye line. We're going to add 3 more and kind of push everything down. And then, of course, as it pushes it down, this section will be pushed down and hopefully will end up right about here on the sheet. Going back to the top, can you do me a favor? Under first quarter, can they add the year? So add 2000, so 2022. So we know it's first quarter 2022 for this year, obviously. Another thing is that all these fonts are different. So I kind of want to keep it in line with the same font that we're using for all at teamwalterb.com. This font here should be the same or in line with this font. Same thing goes for these fonts. This first quarter 2022 trending now should be in a similar font to what we're using here on the left-hand side. Same thing with its italics right now and a different type of font. So if we could just get rid of the italics and maybe use an outline font that's similar. Same thing for name, email, shipper, and phone number. If we could get rid of the italics, that would be great. Another thing too is that I don't know if we can do this, but I would love if we change the gray of this flyer, the light shades of gray, to light shades of blue. So again, it's cohesive to my logo and it has some relevance. And we could change that on the top, on the bottom as well. An edit, trymountain.com, there is no dash. So I need all of these dashes to be removed, please. Secondly, in between here, in between trymountain.com and the style number, can we please hit return here and add a new sentence in this size font underneath it in parentheses? Can they put in a red font or in a maybe in a light blue font or a navy font, all caps, excludes PA italics. I'm sorry, parentheses. Again, excludes PA in parentheses. That goes under each trymountain.com. Same thing for outdoorcap.com. Let's hit return, add another small sentence or line, and parentheses, excludes MD, parentheses, excludes MD under everything for outdoor cap. And then lastly, for promote3m.com, I just want to make sure that's a correct, my apologies, sites, promote3m.com, promote.3m.com, excellent. Again, underneath that, hit return, get a space in there. And then in parentheses, NY only, parentheses, NY only, parentheses, NY only, parentheses for everything that's under promote 3M. Tagsack.com, you don't have to do anything there. Secondly, for some of the images here, for example, here, can they hit return again? So power bank, the word power bank does not override or overlap onto the item image. Can we please hit that so it comes down to here? Or if it has to go here, for example, put power bank down here and then the ALA and pricing information down here next to it. If that could be done here as well, wood accent, dual driver, move here so it's not overlapping on the cord, and then move everything down accordingly. If we have to move it over underneath, the copy underneath over here, that's fine. I'm looking. This image, the QC905, we have 4 images here. I don't want that. I just want the one, if you go to tomaxusa.com, and go to the QC 905, QC 905, I just want this one image right here. This image is perfect, or even if it's just one image, perhaps we could do, let's see, perhaps just this one, or maybe this one. This one's the best. So if they could replace it just with this one image, that would be fantastic. And then all the rest looks okay. And then scrolling down, I'm just looking to see if there's any overlapping. We talked about moving everything down. And then lastly, what I wanted to do is that I wanted to replace this OC770. I wanted to replace it with the style number OC571. So if you go to promo.outdoorcap.com, actually, if you just go to the cheat sheet says outdoorcap.com, here are the instructions to find it, or you could just go to outdoorcap.com, which we'll do. Outdoorcap.com, hit promotional products so we could get the search box, and then we're going to type in OC571, and that's the product that we want to pull up. So I want to insert that and replace it with the OC770. And then the other items that I wanted to add was, again, to go to Outdoor Cap promotional products, go to new, and then I wanted to add these items. I wanted to add the OC771PF on this new line that we're adding, the HPD 615M on a new line that we're adding, and the OC808 on that new line that we're adding. Same thing for Illini. We want to add another line for Illini. So they're going to have a total of 9 items, just like Outdoor Cap will have a total of 9 items, and we push everything down. So if we go to Illini, I went to the Illini line website, and then I clicked where you could type in all the different style numbers. So the different style numbers that we're going to add are going to be the 3948. So we're going to add that, which is the bamboo coffee scoop. And then we're going to add the 8809 search, which is the folding eyewear case. And then we're going to add the 930, which is the wooden luggage tags. This item here, 930, not these other items. This item right here is what we're adding. And that, I think, is everything that I need to do. And then lastly, I'm going to come back with a QR code for a client-friendly version. So somewhere on the bottom here, I'm thinking maybe in this bottom left-hand corner, we will have a QR code, which I will send to you by tomorrow morning, hopefully. And it'll say, click QR for client-friendly version. And then that client-friendly version will be, we will remove this, which is the all@teamwalterb and my phone number, my teamwalterb.com address, this name, email, shipper, and phone number, and then all the other information. Oh, this subject to change without notice. We will get rid of this second sentence, which is contact Team Walter B for details and offers. And that's on there too. And that will be pretty much it. So hopefully this is clear and you understand everything. And then we can get this all done. All right, thank you so much. Let me shut this down. And then we will end this.